Um, I'd like to just ask a couple of questions. What advice you would give to job seekers in this current market, um, based off of your career and your recent experiences?
Sure. I'm going to probably contradict myself here. As I said, I think you do want to grin and bear with it, and you do want to stay in one position at least for 3 years, because I think that's when you are able to take off and you kind of, what you're given as a position. But that being said, I think my mind evolved when I had that operation. I think everybody is honest with oneself, and time is limited. And if you think that opportunity is right for you, I think you should take it, because at the end of the day, if you don't take that, you will be regretting that position forever. Now, if that position is not good for you, if you have doubts about it, yeah, I don't think that's that opportunity, and I think you don't need anybody to tell you that.
Yeah, there's an aspect of judgment you've got to both hiring candidates, clients, and also the candidates who are looking for a position. And it is a matter of judging. Okay, I've only been in the job for a year. Should I take a leap of faith? Is this the right timing? And it is a matter of weighing up the options. Clearly, in your case, that's anything that you want to add or ask or express? Anything, Ken?
You get a call from FocusCore. I think if you like the position, I think you'll be on a good path. If you don't like it, I guess you'll have to ask them to introduce you to another opportunity. But highly recommended that you take the coaching and you listen to your consultant, and also give your feedback to your consultant, because if you don't do that, the consultant's not going to know what you want.
Yeah, great. It's a two-way process.
Yes, it is.